guys ever doing edits for quite a long period of time and suddenly your video editing software start to show up a message saying that your file went missing for some reasons? It's really frustrating for editors out there, and I've been into that situation before. So in order to get rid of that problem, you have to be disciplined first of all, and it's all have to do with file management. A lot of editors nowadays I've seen, especially the one who just starting up to do edits, skip this method or these steps, I would say, to organize all of their clips, their sound, their music, everything in one neat folder. It's really important to making sure that all of the videos and stuff is being organized properly. Otherwise, your software is just gonna read or interpret it as a missing file. So it's really annoying, and it will slow down your working pace. So first of all, you have to understand how your internal storage works. So in my laptop, there's two type of internal storage. I have SSD and HDD. For SSD, I think it's like less than 200 gig worth of space, and another one is HDD that have 1 terabyte of space. So I only reserve SSD just to install my software. So Vegas Pro, Vegas Effect, Vegas Image, Photoshop, Lightroom, Premiere Pro, Davinci, After Effects, all of the installation path is in my SSD. The second one is HDD. So it's common to come in 1 terabyte of internal storage, but my HDD here, I make it into 2 partitions. So each partition is 500 gig in total size. So the first partition is where I keep my assets as in my stock footage, my music, my sound effect, overlays. Maybe if you work with 3D elements, I can put my 3D files there. So that's the main assets that you can use for different kind of projects. The second partition is where I keep my project. Same things, I have one master folder labeled as videos and photos, and inside that master folder have a subfolder for each representing projects. Maybe the first folder is commercials, the second one is music video, the third one is short films, etc., and the list go on. So let's just say you have a short film and you finish recording and you want to import the clip from your camera. So let's just say this is the footage in your SD card. You plug into your laptop and then you create a new project folder in your HDD, which is, in this case, I save it in my second partition. I create a new folder based on that short film name. Let's just say Spaceman short film. Yeah, Spaceman short film. And then you basically, after you create that folder, and then inside the folder itself you have another folder labeled as videos. Then you copy all of the footage from your SD card and paste it into that videos folder. If you record sound, again, same thing, copy and paste. So you have a Spaceman short film project, and inside that project you have maybe 2 videos, and two separate folder videos. So the video 1 and video 2. So video 1 represent for camera 1 and video 2 represent for camera 2 if you're shooting in 2 cameras. It depends how you organize your clip. Alright, let's just say you have the music, the sound effect already in your assets. You copy and paste it inside that project folder. You don't move or you don't import through the represented assets folder. You don't touch it at all. You have to copy and paste it inside that project. Why? Because if you if you import directly through your assets, Vegas will read into 2 separate location paths. So if you move or archive this project and open up on different computers, it will see the asset as a missing file. So you have to copy everything and paste it inside that project folder. Again, organized in proper manner. You have your videos, you have your SFX, you have your music, you have your pictures, and etc. This is really important. So once you copy and paste everything, then you can launch Vegas Pro and save the VEG file in that project folder. Maybe you create one folder, label as project, and save your Vegas Pro project inside that project folder in Spaceman short film folder, right? That's how you basically manage your file. So you can start importing through that project folder, and Vegas Pro will basically read the entire project folder. So if you copy that project and then paste it into, or basically send it to a second computer, it can be opened and accessed without showing any missing file error, as long as the effects I use in Vegas Pro, like plugins, are also available on the second computer. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you guys next time.